In our previous class, we explored how meticulously crafted costumes in theater elevate appearance, define characters, and enrich the visual experience. In today's class, we have an exciting topic to explore: the fascinating world of mosaic art. Mosaic art is a timeless and captivating form of expression that involves arranging and adhering small pieces of various materials, such as stone, glass, tiles, and more, onto a support to create intricate patterns, designs, or images. Originating from ancient civilizations, mosaic art has transcended time, showcasing the beauty of diversity and creativity. Materials. 1. Bits of colored glass or broken bottles. Collect vibrant glass fragments or repurpose broken bottles to infuse your mosaic with a spectrum of colors and textures. 2. Strong adhesive or glue. Choose a reliable adhesive that bonds securely and dries transparently to ensure the longevity of your mosaic. 3. Pieces of colored tiles. Traditional mosaic pieces, tiles come in various shapes and sizes, enabling you to create intricate designs with ease. 4. Flat plywood. A sturdy plywood base provides stability and durability for your mosaic project. Ensure it is smooth and well prepared to achieve a professional finish. 5. Colored pictures cut from magazines. Incorporating magazine cutouts into your mosaic allows for a unique blend of media, adding depth and character to your artwork. 6. Cardboard. Use cardboard as a cost-effective alternative to plywood for smaller mosaic projects, such as coasters or decorative plaques. 7. Beads. Tiny, colorful beads can add a touch of texture and three-dimensionality to your mosaic, enhancing its visual appeal. 8. Sequins. For a touch of sparkle and shimmer, consider using sequins strategically within your mosaic compositions. 9. Bottle tops. Upcycle bottle caps to add an interesting, unconventional element to your mosaic creations. 10. Cartridge paper. This heavy-duty paper can be used as a base for mosaic projects, especially when working on designs that require flexibility. 11. Old newspaper. Lay down newspaper to protect your workspace from adhesive spills and to make cleanup easier. 12. Pencil or pen. Essential for sketching out your design before you start the mosaic, ensuring precision and balance. Tools. 1. Hammer. Use a hammer to break larger materials, such as tiles or bottles, into smaller, more manageable pieces. 2. Knife. A utility knife or craft knife is handy for cutting cardboard, paper, and other materials with precision. 3. Scissors. Sharp scissors are crucial for cutting out magazine images, paper, and other flexible materials. 4. Cutter knife. A cutter knife is ideal for making intricate cuts and adjustments to your mosaic pieces. Techniques and tips. Design planning. Before you start your mosaic, sketch out your design on paper, ensuring you have a clear vision of the final piece. 2. Surface preparation. Ensure your chosen base is clean, dry, and free of any debris before applying adhesive. 3. Adhesive application. Use a small, pointed tool like a toothpick or a specialized mosaic adhesive applicator for precise glue application. 4. Grout. After the adhesive has dried, apply grout to fill the gaps between your mosaic pieces. Choose grout colors that complement your design. Sealing. To protect your mosaic from moisture and environmental factors, seal it with a mosaic sealer once the grout is fully cured. Experimentation. Don't be afraid to experiment with different materials, shapes, and colors to create unique and striking mosaic compositions. 7. Safety. Always wear safety glasses and work in a well-ventilated area when handling glass and other materials that can produce sharp or harmful debris. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.